All right, tribe. Been building this thing for months and months now. We've been weaving, bobbing. We had to get the who right first, but we want to take what we're doing for all of our other ventures, our holdings, our Blackman Ventures portfolio, all the companies inside that, the other companies we work with, and kind of illustrate what we're building, what we're doing. And so we've been building this thing. Let me show it to you right here. Basically, a platform that we can take the lessons, the knowledge, the skill sets of building 20 plus years of entrepreneurship, 17 plus companies, started 11, exited 2 for 8 figures, and help like minded founders, entrepreneurs, business owners thrive, not just survive. And so, what have we done? We put together a community, a launch community with really 3 ways of working together. So, the first is we've built a peer to peer community online where you can join other like-minded founders, CEOs, entrepreneurs, and just discuss things, lessons, wins, need connections, need thoughts, need daily motivation. That's my jam and the funnest part about doing what I do. Then we built small peer-to-peer, 8 to 10 person communities. We call those Launch in Faith because it is a very cool opportunity to get like-minded folks together who are leaders and grow our businesses so that we're thriving personally and professionally, which is what we are meant to be put on this earth to do. And then we recently started our Launch Your Brand program, 12-week program where we help you become the thought leader in your industry that you were meant to be. Lots of ways to do it. We've finally started getting this concrete because early stage businesses are always messy, and learning how to take the tools that we use inside our ventures and help other like-minded founders like you grow and thrive. So if you want to learn more, Andy Smith Life, that's the show, what I'm showing you here. You can book a call or you can hit join our community, and whammo bammo, you'll be taken to the site where you can apply here. All right, friends, let's get it.